Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today I'm making some chocolate chip cookies. Cream or butter?
1 cup of room temperature butter. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Scrape the sides of the bowl.
3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Put that in there.
1/4 teaspoon of salt. Scrape the sides of the bowl again. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I like vanilla, I put extra.
2 eggs.
Preheat oven 375 Fahrenheit.
Now we're going to slowly add the flour. And of course, scrape the sides of the bowl.
Mix the rest of the flour in.
Chocolate chips. I like the dark ones. Put those in there. Mix in our chocolate chips. Who doesn't like chocolate chip cookies? Yeah, when I was growing up, my mom used to make them a lot too. Pastry mat, which is totally fine. You can use that, or you can just use grease your cookie sheet. Yeah, just kind of like that. Spread out so they kind of flatten out, right? Another way is you can stiffen up the dough and roll by hand. They will flatten out once baked up. You can try to get them even sizes, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of shape them a little bit too. These are ready to go in. They take exactly 9 minutes. Those are in. These guys, same idea. Yes, and one of my favorite things growing up, lick the cookie bowl after. Probably have to do that. Cookies are almost done. Golden brown, depending on your oven, 8 or 9 minutes. Don't keep opening the oven, that's a bad thing. Okay, first batch, looking good. So they should look roughly something like that. Other window before. Same thing for 9 minutes. These over here, let them cool off. Cookies are all done. Yeah, we gotta give one a try. Wow, cookies are still a bit warm, but once they cool down, they're gonna be pretty awesome. Definitely some good chocolate chip cookies. Success. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya, and enjoy some cookies. See you soon.